In your entire lifetime, you're gonna get 1 or 2 opportunities to really fucking make it. Maybe not even the second one, maybe just one single fucking opportunity. You will get 1 opportunity to really fucking make it. And if you miss the fucking boat because of the coronavirus, or if you miss the boat because you're fucking dating this girl and she doesn't want you to go to work 6-7 days a week, or for this reason or for that reason, you fucking miss the boat forever. You will miss the opportunity to become somebody. And it will happen. I was watching the story of, watching a documentary about Facebook and where this started and how it all started. This guy, Mark Zuckerberg, was turning down a lot of investments. You guys know that within the first 3 years, they offered to buy his entire platform for $1 billion. He said no. And they asked him why. He said, because it's not because of the money. I'm gonna only get 1 shot. I may never find an opportunity like this again. I may never be able to find a company to start like this again. This is my only shot. I'm not gonna sell it. So the same thing, you're gonna have 1 shot where you can make a lot of fucking money, where you can actually get on the fucking train, go far and make a lot of money with it and become somebody and end up hitting all the goals and the visions you have. End up helping the people that you love. End up helping the community. End up living the lifestyle you want to live. You only get 1 shot to do it. And if you don't do it right because, oh, it's okay to sit back, because it's okay to fucking not do it, then you're gonna miss the boat completely. So you need to raise the intensity in every aspect. If you're doing sales, you want to raise the fucking intensity. You want to get harder on the customers, close more customers, be more intense. Learn more skills to close more customers. If you're booking appointments, do more. If you're working 6 hours a day, do more. If you've never recruited any of your friends in this industry to bring them into the industry, start doing it. Because right now is the time. Right now is the time to do more of everything. To start building that platform for yourself. Because at the end of the day, working in this industry is all about building a team. Because once you build a team, then you start having a lot of additional income coming from that team. So you don't have to put in all the work yourself anymore because there are other people doing it. But that doesn't mean you're gonna, that doesn't mean you're gonna sit back. The more you grow, the more intense you need to get. Whether it's money, whether it's sales, whether it's building, recruiting, hiring, training, you gotta do more of it. Every single day, every single week, every single month. It's not just about the sales. We're not saying, oh, if you got 5 sales last week, this week you gotta get 6. That's one aspect of it. If you've hired your friends before into the industry and you brought 1 person a year, now do 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Bring as many as you can, because guess what? Not everybody has jobs right now. The unemployment rate is fucking insane. So people literally will work. They'll work. Whatever the work is gonna be. Maybe 2 years ago or last year, they would have been selective about what they wanted to do, but now they don't have options. They don't have a choice. It's either this or they get the $2,000 for the next 3 months. That's gonna stop too after 3 months, and I don't think anything is gonna go back to normal anytime soon. It's gonna continue going the way it is for a long time. And once it goes back to normal, it will be very slow. It's gonna start very slow. It's not like the government is gonna open the floodgates and be like, okay, everybody fucking, pour out of your homes and do everything you did before. No, they're gonna open up the businesses 1 fucking industry at a time. 1 niche at a time. So it's gonna take another 6 months to 12 months to start getting back to a normal life. I guarantee you, mark my word, from today until 18 more months, nothing is gonna be the same way as it was 3 months ago. 18 months, at least a year and a half. Because in about 3 to 6 months, they're gonna start figuring things out and they're gonna start opening things back up, and it's gonna take another 6 months to a year for everything to be normalized. So what you wanna do during these times, this is the opportunity for all of us. The pandemic is literally our opportunity. Raise your intensity on everything you do professionally in business. Do more of it, do more hardcore, make it your fucking life right now, because there's nothing to do. There's no life right now, really. Work is literally the only life I have right now. So make it your life, raise the fucking intensity, raise the standards, and grow as quickly as you can right now, because you've got all the help.